Hello everybody, my name is Narly Lizeth Varela Castillo. I'm from Bucaramanga and today I'm explaining my lesson plan titled Defender of My Planet. This lesson is for the third grade of the Crecer y Aprender school in Florida Blanca. There are two beginners and the topic is global warming. The resources that we need are projector, photocopies with the article and short description, picture about vocabulary, picture of the sequence, speaker, computer, pencils, eraser, markers, board, color pencil, paints, dictionary, and pasteboard. Objectives. Communicative objective. We have the students will be able to describe the negative effect of the global warming. Language objective. The student will be able to use present continuous and vocabulary of the global warming. The description of the class. The first we have the introduction part, and we have Piripito Piripao games. It takes 10 minutes. In this activity, the teacher say Piripito, and only the boys in the classroom stand up of their chair, and the girls stay in the chair. When the teacher say Piripao, only the girls in the classroom stand up and the boys stay down in the chairs. The teacher going to say Piripito Piripao and random, and whoever is wrong more than twice pays penitence. Previously, the students have been seeing the present continuous grammar and have been made some phrases with it. For the practice part, we have 4 activities. The first one is some picture. The teacher shows some picture about vocabulary of global warming. For example, recycle, pollution, greenhouse gases, etc. We can see in the annex number 1. The second one is a video when the students going to watch a short video about global warming and then have to answer some questions according. We can see in the annex 2. The third is a listen and complete activity. The students have to listen and complete with the missing word a short description about pollution. We can see in the annex 3. And then finally we have the lecture. The teacher going to give a short reading to the students, and then they have to say if the sentences are true or false according with the information in the previously reading. This activity takes 45 minutes. Now we're going to the appendices, and we have the picture with some vocabulary, some for example, deforestation, global warming, water contaminations, air pollution, water pollution, rainforest. That's it, the vocabulary that the teacher showed the students. Then we have the annex number 2, and we have the link some questions that the students have to answer according to the video. If we put the link on Google, we can see the video. It's an interesting video because explain all about the global warming with the didactic way. It's colorful and interesting for the kids. Have you can see, and this is the question: why the planet see? What did the doctor tell the planet? How can we planet be cured? What does the tree do? What happens without no trees? And for the activity number 3, listen and complete, we have the short description and the link about the video. If we put the link on Google, we can see the video. It's a clip, it's very short, and the vocabulary is easier for the students. How can you see? And that's it. The students have to listen, only listen. They don't have to watch and complete with the missed word. In this case, we have the answer in red. For example, town, river, traffic, decreasing, and that's it. Then next number 4 is a lecture. We have the short lecture about global warming, and we have 4 sentences that the student have to say if true or false according to previously lecture, and that's it for the moment. Then we have the consolidation part. In this section we have the sequence. The students have some picture and they have to write what they think is happening in each photo or each picture and complete or write the story. They can use present continuous and vocabulary about global warming. It takes 15 minutes, and if we return to the appendices, we can see in the annex number 5 the sequences picture, and we have an example. Maria is going to the super shop for buy some food according with the picture number 1, and the student have to continue with the story. And finally we have the final assessment part. In this part, the students in groups of 3 they will create a poster where they write or drive what kind of activities they can make for save the planet. This poster has been exposed to the whole class and use present continuous and the vocabulary about global warming. The teacher can evaluate fluency, pronunciation, participation, and collaborative work in his students. It takes 20 minutes. That's it. That's all. Thank you for watching.